Hey everyone, today I'm sitting on the brand new Nectar Premier Hybrid mattress. This mattress is very similar to the original Nectar Hybrid, which is all foam. Only difference is that they're using a base layer of springs. So what that means is they're using a pocketed coil system as the base layer. They're all individually wrapped coils. You also have firmer coils along the perimeter for better edge support. This one retails in a queen right now with some of their sales going on for around $1,100. It may be more or slightly less depending on what time of year you buy. But right now they are doing their flash sale, so it's about 1,100 bucks. Nice thing about this mattress is that the Nectar Premier, at least in our store, is the top selling of the Nectar line. And so by developing a hybrid, what they've done is actually, in my opinion, made an even better mattress, because what you do is you actually get better contouring and support with the coil system, more than what foam alone can provide. Now, obviously, there are some trade-offs. One of them being there is going to be a little bit more motion transfer, but you do get that more of that classic bounce that you would get in a normal mattress, which people like. It's easier to switch positions, and it's slightly more breathable too. So, these hybrids have a lot going for them. I do like that Nectar has decided to go with the hybrids. Their other company of Resident Home, which is kind of a sister company to Nectar, is DreamCloud, and they're known for their luxury hybrid mattresses. But to be honest, I do prefer the Nectar Premier Hybrid over some of the DreamCloud models, just because it does have this flat top. It's a knitted cover, so it's a nice smooth top with that phase change material built in. And there's none of that quilting on the top layer. Some people like that. I prefer this flat top. It's just a nice, cooler, smoother feel, and you still get all that good conforming foam underneath. So like Nectar, this does come with a 1-year trial, free shipping, free returns. It is made in multiple countries, one of them being the USA, but I believe there's also Malaysia, Vietnam, Mexico, and China as well. But they have sourced from pretty good supply chains, and I have been impressed with Nectar's consistent quality and good customer service. So if there's issues, obviously they'll refund it, return it, exchange it, whatever they need to do to take care of you. So this is just a great mattress to consider. I would recommend it more for side sleeping. It is a little firmer than you would be led to believe. I think they probably say this is more like a medium feel. I would still say it's a medium firm. If you want to go for a softer feel, check out the Copper Hybrid Premier. That one is the softest of their lineup, similar to the all foam Premier Copper as well. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. You'll get the full review and the latest discounts.